These Bluetooth batteries can be managed via our all-new iTechworld app, which is effortless to set up, and I'm about to show you how. To get the app, either head over to the App Store or the Google Play, depending on your device, or you can scan the respective QR code in the user manual. Once the app is downloaded, simply open it up and follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, ensure the Bluetooth on your device is turned on, and the app will recognize any nearby batteries within 10 meters. If the battery is not being recognized, simply scan the QR code on the top of the battery with your camera and it will connect. The battery will then be connected. From here, you can select which battery you want to manage through the Connections tab of the app. To manage your battery, press the main menu tab. From here, you can see all the information you need to know about your battery status. The next tab over is the Control Center, where features such as the Charge Isolator and the Discharge Isolator can be toggled on and off. And the last tab is the Information tab, where details such as the battery model will be displayed.